All right, in this lesson, and it's going to be a quick one, I want to cover something that I use so much that I've kind of take it for granted, and I realized I didn't cover it during any of the other lessons. So in this lesson, we're going to talk about the eyedropper tool. Now there is a tool you can click on over here, but this is another one of those tools that I really never click on, and I would say most people don't. The reason for that is the default behavior in Clip Studio, whenever you click the right-click button on the pen, it will switch to the eyedropper tool. Now what this does is pick the color from the canvas, and this is something that you'll see a lot of digital artists do quite a bit. So I've got 3 colors here just to kind of show you how this works. So right now I'm using the airbrush tool, but if I switch to one of the pens, one of the other brushes, it doesn't really matter, it works the same in all cases. So as I hover over, and I'm not actually touching the canvas right now, I can right click and you'll see that it changes to the eyedropper tool, and you'll see that the color over there on the color wheel is changing to whatever color that I choose. From green to red to yellow to white. I can put it over to black and grab that. It's a really fast way to grab colors from the canvas without having to go to your color wheel or into your color history. This is also really useful if you want to blend 2 colors and make it really like a smooth transition across here. So I can grab this blue with the eyedropper, just hold down right click to grab it, and like pull it over, and this brush has a little bit of opacity to it, and you can see where it's blending with this red. I'm getting colors that didn't exist before. I'm getting this kind of purpley color here, and if I want this transition to be smoother, I can just continue to grab from these in-between tones to make it as smooth as I want. It helps to have a little bit of opacity in the brush this way too. And someone's going to ask that this is a pure paint brush that is available for free in the Clip Studio assets. So this is a quick one, but that's the eyedropper tool.